Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get a reverse shell from a victim device to your attacker machine. First of all, you can see right here we have the reverse shell. Okay, when I click on that, I will be able to get the reverse shell over here. But first I will need to start the listening over here on port this because I have already defined this in this specific code. Let me start this and show you. And now let me click on this and we will be able to see the reverse shell over here. Boom, you can see right here we have got the reverse shell. If I type the dir, we will be able to see the files. Assume this is actually the attacker machine or the Linux. I have downloaded the Linux and I am using the attacker IP of this Linux. And today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do the same as well. So let's get started. First of all, you can see right here the first thing we need is the code. This will give us the reverse shell. I have already got the code. You can let me actually show you. I have stored it in this file. So you can see right here this is the script that we will be compiling. So we got this code and from here we can specify the port, like from which port do we want the reverse shell to get. We can just simply type it over here. For now I'm just gonna go with this one, and this IP right here you can see this will be your attacker machine. Okay, this is actually my attacker machine IP. Let me actually show you. I am on my Linux machine, and if I type the IP ifconfig, this is my IP, and I have put this over here. The next thing we will need, okay, we got the code, we got the port, and we got the our attacker machine. Now the code is human readable actually, and the computers can only understand zeros and one, and this code is not in zeros and one. For that we will need a compiler. Compiler is basically something that convert human readable code to machine readable code. Okay, let me actually show you. I have already got the compiler. Like this is the compiler name. If I type the version, we will be able to see its version. And if you want to download this same compiler, all you need is go to your Linux machine and type sudo apt and install, and this the compiler name. Okay, once you press enter, it will be automatically downloaded. So now we got the code, the compiler. Now what we need is we need to compile the code using the compiler, and it will give us the exe file which we'll be executing on the victim machine. Okay, so make sure to remember this port and also the IP of your attacker machine. Now I can just delete this one as I have already compiled, and let me actually recompile this. So for that I will need to type the compile. This is the compiler name, this is the exact file name, and then we specify the output to give us the output as reverse.exe. So now if I press enter, we will get the exe file. Boom, you can see we got the exe file. Now what we will need is I will have to start the listening on the exact port. Remember we set the 444 port. So to start the listening we will be using this netcat command or tool, and lwnb, this is its flags, and we will start listening on this port. Okay, and now what we need is just click on this and we will be able to get the reverse shell. Let me actually do. Boom, you can see that here we have got the reverse shell. If I type the dir again, you will just see the all of the file that is in this directory. So for example, if I wanted to open a notepad, I will just simply type the notepad.exe and it will pop up the notepad, and well, the notepad is open. So this is how you get the reverse shell. Hope you like this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. I will see you in the next video. And lastly, if you need the code, just click on the link in the description to join my Discord server, and I will share the code over there.